Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to install AMP, Accelerated Mobile Page. This plugin will help your pages load very fast on a mobile phone. If you want to Google to like your website, it must be a mobile friendly. So go to plugin and then type AMP. I have it already installed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to activate it. When you install it, just click activate. Welcome to AMP for WordPress. Here they're gonna ask you to open onboard wizard. You click here. They say welcome to the official AMP plugin for WordPress. So from here we click next. Are you technical? If you are a developer or you are a technical very savvy, you click yes. If you are not a non-technical, just click here. So I'm gonna choose this one. You go next. So this is the standard version of the AMP. In standard mode, your site will completely AMP, except in case where you opt for a AMP for specific. So I'm gonna suggest you to choose a standard and then you click next. Click next. Save in setting. And this they give you an aperture of your website. You click finish. Now we are coming to advanced setting. You can choose the content you want to load as a AMP. So I will suggest you to leave posts and pages. So all your posts on your website and pages will load on AMP. So you select those two, posts and pages. Here you can leave it by default and then you click save. Okay, you can still edit it by coming on AMP setting. You can change on any of these. Okay, so this is how you install and activate AMP plugin for your WordPress website. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao.